All right, boys and girls, I'm never going to get tired of making Corvette content, and this time around, the Corvette ZR1, the VIN number 001, it's headed off to Barrett-Jackson auction January 25th to eventually go for sale. Now, we all know that General Motors and Barrett-Jackson do a good deed, that whenever the hammer comes down, whatever that price is, which usually is in the millions, gets donated to a charity. And let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boys. So the VIN number 001 of the Corvette ZR1, the most weighted, anticipated Corvette. It's the fastest Corvette ever in production, hitting 233 miles at the Papenburg Oval in Germany. A 0 to 60 is insane. A quarter mile in the 9s. It is an all-around supercar. Well, Barrett-Jackson and General Motors are going to be donating the funds to the American Red Cross Association. Those funds go to military reliefs, to military families, blood drives, disaster relief. But there's one gentleman called Rick Henrik, which is about to pay for the vehicle. And, you know, they're kind of saying, Rick, let somebody else have another shot at it. The first C8 Corvette that sold at auction sold for $3 million. The CO6 went for $4 million. The 01 is definitely going to fetch a whole lot more money. So Rick Henry already has a pretty wild collection of Corvette, new and old, including a whole bunch of VINs, 001 VINs that he bought. He bought the first retail production C8, which was the one that paid $3 million, the first CO6, the first CO6 convertible, and most recently the first Corvette E-Ray. Each one of them went for over $1 million, with the CO6 topping a whopping of $3.6 million. Correction, boys, I said $3.6 million. Instead of pocketing the money, Chevrolet sends all the proceeds to a charity. This time around, it will be the American Red Cross Association. There's certainly a reason to believe this auction could top Henrik's CO6 purchase. Debuting early this year, the 2025 ZR1 is the quickest and fastest, most powerful factory Corvette yet, and it runs a 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds, and GM President Mark Rales drove it, and it reached 233 miles per hour at the Papenburg in Germany, the Oval in Germany. Now, Corvette has begun testing of the ZR1s in the Nürburgring. We know that the Mustang GTD just ran at the Nürburgring, but it is expected that the ZR1 is going to do a way better time. The GTD is breaking the 7-minute mark, but you're talking about a Corvette that has 1,064 horsepower, 5.5 twin turbo beast. I mean, it's got the aggressive aero package, it is believed that the ZR1 could definitely beat that. It's going to be the ZTK package. Now, for bidders who are buying this vehicle at Barrett-Jackson, there's going to be two models. You're either going to get the coupe or you're going to get the convertible. And most likely it's going to be the ZTK package, which offers an assortment of upgrades to make it quicker, with stiffer suspension, revised dampener, all that kind of sort of stuff. But as we know that the history tells us, the first CO6, the first C8 was sold for $3 million. The CO6 went to $3.6 million. I believe it either might have been $3.6 million. The article here says $3.6 million, but I believe it might have been $4. And Rick Henry has been buying all the first ones, including the CO6 convertible, the regular CO6, and the Corvette E-Ray. The Corvette E-Ray is another vehicle that is a beast. And hopefully this time around, January 25th, we're going to see the ZR1 VIN 001 roll through the auction, and we're going to see what it fetches. But anyways, short little fun video today, guys. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Your boy is out of here.